Welcome to Appysmarts STEM Lab. Have you ever wondered how the ancient Romans counted? It wasn't with the numbers you use today. Buckle up and get ready to decode secrets of Roman numerals. In this video, we'll crack the code together, learning how to write and understand 1 through 10 using Pango Kaboom.
Oh.
Hey!
We start with the number 1, written in Roman numerals. This one is pretty easy.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Hi.
Oh.
Ah.
Next up, let's tackle Roman numeral 2. Can you guess how it's written? And how do we represent 3 in Roman numerals? Do you think it is as easy as number 2? Things get interesting for number 4. Unlike the first 3, where we just repeated the symbol, Roman numeral 4 is written in a special way.
Whoa!
For 5, things get interesting. It might seem logical to keep adding i's, but the Romans had a trickier way.
Yeah.
Take a look at Roman numeral 4. Now imagine cleverly removing that first I. That's how we get the symbol V for 5.
Boom, boom. Oh! There.
Moving on to 6, this one's simple. We use VI for 6.
Oh. Oh.
For 7, we see a return to adding symbols. But unlike the first 3 numerals, here we combine values. We take the Roman numeral for 5, V, which represents the larger value, and add a 2 i's after it. Now it is time for the number 8. It is just a 5 and a 3 combined.
Oh!
Oh.
Almost there. Number 9 is another interesting case. Instead of adding i's 8 times, the Romans used a subtraction method. Imagine taking the symbol for 10x and cleverly subtracting one I from it. That's how we get I and x for 9.
아.
And finally, we reach 10, represented by the mighty X.
오.
뻥뻥.
That's all the basic Roman numerals for today. If you enjoyed this journey through numbers, be sure to subscribe for more dives into the fascinating world of math.